Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can change the language in DeepSeek. In order to do so, here we are at chat.deepseek.com. And what we're looking for is on the left-hand side, if you're on desktop, you can find your profile icon here. And if you just click on that, then you're going to see the option here for settings. All you have to do is click on settings, and then from there, you can clearly see where it says language, and we have three options. We have English, Chinese, and system. So if you set it to system, then DeepSeek is automatically going to default to whatever language you have set up on your device. So if you're on PC and you have your language set to a specific language, then it will automatically default that way in DeepSeek. You're probably going to need to, whatever your browser you're using, if you come up to the top right-hand corner, this is for Chrome, you're going to click the three dots here, and then you can see here where it says translate. So if you click on translate, then from there, you'll see that you've got these three little dots here. And you click on that, and you can see where it says choose another language. Click on that. And then from here, you can see that there are a variety of languages that you can choose from. So as long as you're set to system in DeepSeek, then it will default to that language. Otherwise, they have the default languages of English and Chinese that you can use there quite easily to get to. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.